Question 32 is, why can't you buy a combi heat pump which heats hot water instantly? Before I answer that, I want to talk about a technology that everyone's pretty familiar with. So lots of people have electric showers at home. An electric shower would typically be something like 10 or 11 kilowatts, which is quite a lot bigger than most people's heat pump will be. And we all know that if you get in your 11 kilowatt electric shower, if you turn the water down so it's quite slow, so it's a trickle, it comes out really, really hot. But as you wind up the speed of the water, you find that the temperature begins to fall. And it's because 11 kilowatts is kind of not enough to supply you with enough hot water to have a really good shower. So if we did buy a combi heat pump and it was only rated at 8 kilowatts, it would mean it would be even slower water. So 8 kilowatts is not enough, you need quite a bit more. If you look at your combi boiler, for instance, it's quite typical that they'd be about 20 or even 30 kilowatts. And the reason for this is so you can heat the water really, really fast, so you can have instant hot water. The problem with a heat pump, as we discussed earlier in the course, is that they are very slow acting. So if you jump in the shower and turn it on, it could take 5 or 6 minutes to actually get up to speed. And even when it's up to speed, it's not going to be big enough to supply that instant hot water. So this is why we always use stored hot water in a hot water cylinder. In my opinion, it's very unlikely that there ever will be an instant hot water or combi heat pump.